Hi everyone, this month I decided to play with the SCRAWLRBOX. So I ordered one and I believe this is the April box. Let's see what's inside. So this month we have a sticker. Looks like a tiger print. Whoop. A 2-hole Staedtler sharpener, a Factis eraser, a piece of candy, caramel, swizzles, a Unipin fine line water and fade-proof pigment ink, and it's a brush. Holy cow, super fine brush. And then some Derwent pencils. They are the Derwent ChromaFlow. I've never tried them, but I've heard lots of good things about them. I guess they're promoting their new line. They used to have a limited amount of colors, and they've just extended their range. So I heard they're very similar to the Prismacolor, so we'll get to try them. Very earthy tones, and a white and a black. Nice. We have some SCRAWLRBOX drawing paper, and it's toned, which will be nice with the colors that we got with the colored pencils. And then the print. So the featured artist is Cecilia from Mexico City. And this looks like colored pencils on toned paper. We have a little zine for the month of April. It talks about, that gives you all the supplies in the box. Talks about the featured artist. And give you some advice on how to use the pencils. The Scrawler gallery with pictures of drawings that were done with the supplies from the February box, and a little Scrawler extra about color theory. So let's see. The Scrawler challenge is a walk on the wild side, which, you know, fits. And there you go. That's it. So I'm going to test out those supplies and try to figure out what to draw. A tiger sounds like a good idea. I'll see. When I tested the colored pencils on the tone paper, I was happily surprised by how bright the colors were on this paper. The pen worked very well too, and the eraser erased a lot of the pigments, quite easily in fact, which is not easily achieved usually with colored pencils. So I don't know if it's because of these colored pencils or the eraser, but it was really cool to see that. While the colors stood out really nicely on the stone paper, there was something that was bothering me, like the paper was catching the pencils and it was not going as smooth as I wanted it to. It just felt funny to me. I think it comes from the paper rather than the pencils. So I flipped it over and I tried the supplies on the other side of the paper. And while the color of the paper on that side isn't quite the same and it's not as pretty as the top part, it felt like the colored pencils worked a bit better on that side. So I decided to do my drawing on the flip side of the paper instead. Alright, so I'm super bummed because while I was editing this video, I realized that some of the footage didn't download properly and the files were corrupted. So I lost most of the drawing part, like the sketch, and really most of the drawing, and I'm super upset about it. In fact, I just found out that the same happened to another video that I haven't edited yet. So I used the recovery software and I was able to recover the files for the video not edited yet, and I'm super happy about that. But I was not able to recover the files missing for this one. So I really apologize, and there was really nothing I could do. I did my sketch with one of the pencils, and I really liked it because those pencils are nice and creamy. And I was able to erase my mistakes with the eraser. It worked very well. I applied the layers very lightly at first. And then I realized I could apply a lot more pressure because those pencils layer very well, and they mix very well, and they blend very well. So I'm really pleased with those pencils. By applying more pressure and burnishing a color on top of the other, I was able to get new colors, to mix the colors together. And look at the brightness of those colors. I think it's pretty incredible. And I probably could add even more on top. So while I didn't like the paper very much and I didn't enjoy using it, I'm super excited about those colored pencils. I used the pen for the darker areas like the nostrils, the mouth, the eyes, the inside of the ears, and some darker spots on the fur itself. So yeah, it was a nice box and I'm happy with the supplies in it. I did have fun with those pencils, and that's what matters. Thank you all for stopping by. I hope you liked this video. Sorry for the footage problem. I'm going to be more careful when I transfer my files next time. Have a wonderful day, everyone. I'll see you soon with another video. Bye-bye.